Okay, do you need help trying to figure out how to do the next step? Let me show you. You are going to cut out one of the other strands that you got. You got 4 of these, and we've already used this for the original. So you're going to go cut another one of these out. You're going to space it down a little bit lower, and then pick one of the mutations that we modeled with the weird sentences about cats. And you're going to model it with a real piece of DNA. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to model mutation number 3, a frame shift with a deletion. So to do that, I'm going to take this strip. I'm not going to tape it down just yet. I have to delete something out of it. I'm going to try and keep it lined up as nicely as I can with the top, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to snip out randomly a letter. And it's going to be this A. I'm not going to get rid of this A. I'll save it for another mutation, but I'm going to pull that A out for now. And then I'm going to put these two together and tape them down. Got it. All right, so now I have to do my work. I have to write that this is DNA. Then I'm going to need to transcribe and then translate my mRNA and then my protein. So the first thing that I'm going to do is write that this is my mRNA. Next, and I'm going to go ahead and drop a few lines. T will hook with A with U, C with G. Then I'm going to go ahead and keep going pretty quickly. Keep dropping lines after every 3. Oh, interesting. Notice it's shorter. Well, of course it is, because I cut a letter out. So I'm going to go all the way through. And then it's time for the next step. Next step is to come up with my protein. My protein made of a whole bunch of amino acids. I'm going to try and use the same format that I used before. You can use any of the codon charts you wish. How convenient. The AUG still is there. So I'm going to write that that's met, and that's my start. That's a big deal. And then I'm going to go to the next letter, which is CGG. If I look in the codon chart, I'm going to find that that's also the same as before. That's arginine. I'm going to peptide bond that together. Then the next one is CUA, which happens to be the same as before. So that's going to be leucine again. And then the next one is CCG. That's not the same as before. CCG will get me a different amino acid.